Welcome to our Sankalp channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines easy essay on Parrot. Let's start. Parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. Parrot is a pet animal. It has a green feather. It has curved red beak. The male parrot has a black ring on its neck. It eats grains, fruits, seeds, and vegetables. Parrots can mimic human speech. It lives in the hollows of the trees. Parrots are very intelligent birds. Many people love to keep parrots as a pet.